Alright, nice one, guys. So basically, I'm going to be making a very lost weight, healthy smoothie for lunch. Or for whenever you want to have this one. But it's going to be fantastic and amazing. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to be putting 1, 2, and a roughly about 2.5 handful of spinach, which very, very healthy. I must say to you guys, I need to get some water. Very important to get some healthy water. Beautiful. So basically I have the water now. There. We're going to put roughly about 1/4 cups of water inside of it. Alright. We're not going to be using a lot of water. Secondly, I'm going to put 1 finger of ripe banana. Alright. Thirdly, I'm going to be putting a tablespoon of your organic honey. And fourth, I'm going to put in some protein powder. I've been making a lot of this smoothie over the last few days because it's very healthy and good for you. So I'm putting 2 teaspoons of protein powder. And secondly, I'm going to put a teaspoon of my favorite seed, which is chisel seed, inside of it, just like this. I put a teaspoon. It wasn't a lot. Thirdly, I must say to you, sorry guys, if you see that banging, I need to get my avocado. Alright, I'm gonna put roughly about half of avocado. Look at that beautiful avocado, and that's exactly what we want inside of it. I'm gonna be putting half of this beautiful avocado inside of it. Look at that. That is amazing. That is amazing. Now I'm gonna put some ice, and what we're gonna do now is straight into the blending, which is going to be blended for about 3 to 4 seconds. It won't be taking very long. It's gonna be a quick one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that. I'm gonna just simply taste it and see exactly what's going on right here, alright? So you know, so you have to taste what you make, alright? Really nice. I'm gonna just put 2 more pieces of ice in it. And then we're gonna just give it another blend, alright? That is fantastic. Alright, we're gonna check it one more time and see. Alright, now. That's perfect. I love it. Really nice and amazing. Let's share it up. Nice one. Here it is. And that's the way it goes. That is fantastic and amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. And that's what I want for lunch. Nothing else you need for lunch right more than this, guys. Honestly, look at that. Fantastic and amazing. Please enjoy, subscribe, and leave your comments. Alright? See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.